Today what we're going to be working on, we're going to be burning all this pine straw and leaves that are in the area that we're going to be building the new house. The actual guy that I've hired to come in and clear the land, he's going to be putting in culverts very soon, which will allow us to get back here with bigger vehicles and stuff of that nature. But I've got in here and I've cleaned up all the underbrush, and I've been burning, as you can see. And what that does is it gives him an idea of, he can see better. He can just see better. There's no undergrowth. It's just big trees. So today I'm gonna blow with the blower a fire break. The wind is it's like max 5 miles an hour, and I'll be burning into the wind. It'll help me control it a lot better. That way I get my south, the downwind side burnt first, and allow it to start burning up and then burn slower. That's the game plan for today. I've got the tractor out of the way. I've got to fill up the blower. I've got a 25-gallon water sprayer, and we're going to get after it. Alright guys, I've got this thing all fire break blown, about 3-4 foot wide. Wind's not really bad at all. So I'm gonna fill the blower back up with gas, and that way I have it to blow out the fire if it gets too out of control. But I'll show you here with the smoke from the fire. It's basically going straight up. You can see it's going straight up pretty much. Get my water ready just in case. You just never know. Man, that was made for it. Look at that. It's made for it. Got the torch. Alright, we're ready. Here we go. So we're just gonna go through here and set little spots and let it burn back. Go see how this is doing. So right now I don't really have any wind, which is good. I want it to burn. I want all the little twigs and stuff burned, and I've got plenty of area cleaned out around it. Got my 25-gallon water tank, and it should clean up pretty good. Now, I'm doing this so when we pull all these big trees out, there's not so much of a mess that's drug around, especially around the house pad. I don't want to be burying pine straw and leaves and filling the holes in. So I figured I'd just go ahead and get this going. It's gonna work out really good. I'll just keep an eye on my trees, make sure nothing catches fire. You can see it's already putting itself out on the fire break that we created, and it'll just move on through here, and it'll put itself out on these fire breaks. I'll be out here the rest of the afternoon doing this though, but I love being out here in the woods. This is peace to me, so much peace. If I was a good drone operator, I could fly through there without crashing the drone, but that ain't gonna happen. So you notice how the smoke is blowing that way? You can kind of see how the fire is blowing that way, and I'm burning into it. Me personally, I think that it does a better job burning all the little twigs and vines and whatever's underneath there when it doesn't just flash burn it. This is actually having to burn into it and take its time. That's my opinion. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's how I like to do it, and it keeps me out of the smoke. Now I won't go through here and do the whole thing yet. I'm just kind of watching it and make sure nothing changes, the wind or anything like that. Make sure my fire break is working down here, and once I have a little buffer here, then I'll move on up down the line and get it going too, and it'll catch up, and then I'll eventually have the whole thing burning at once. Things are looking pretty good. It's slow because I'm burning into the wind, just trying to get as much as I can burn safely. The wind's picked up just a hair, but not much. But I wanted to show you why I carry the sprayer beyond trying to keep the fire contained. And I've got a tree over here on fire, and we're gonna go over here and put it out real quick. So I already put this one out. You can see where it's burning up, and now I got another one over here starting to burn up, and I don't want to do that. It's probably got a little sap run down right through there. So carry your little sprayer and put it out. And bam, that is out. And so that's burning pretty good. We'll go through here and look at the rest of it. I'm about ready to start a new area. I don't know if that's the same tree or a different tree. Looks like a different tree. And what it is, it's sap that's catching on fire. So the bugs have gotten in here. You can see right here. Bugs have gotten in there, and the sap comes out of it. Well, when you burn like this, that sap's going to catch on fire with all the resin in it. And but you just carry a little sprayer, go around and put them out. These trees are coming out, but I'm hoping to sell them, and I don't want them to be rejected because it has burn marks on it, thinking it's been in a big fire. But anyways, so this is going pretty good. I'm going to, it has kind of like a natural barrier right here from where I've been driving the tractor. So I think I'm gonna move up in here, start getting this section started now. All right, got a new spot going, and it'll start coming up, just letting the burn into the wind. And that section over there is almost completely safe all the way around. There's a little bit of a trail and a trail, so it won't jump that. That's going to burn out just fine. Just got monitor the tree. That one tree is still wanting to burn sap, but I'm gonna get this area here situated, and it's kind of the same thing. It has a natural where I've been driving the tractor and the Polaris consistently, so that'd be like a little fire break there. Once we finish this, we'll move up to the next one, and then we'll start down there and move it up. That's the game plan. That was a big fire on a tree there. Alright, got that one under control. That's why I'm carrying water, pole saw, blower, all that mess. Anyways, I'm gonna keep on letting this burn. I was up there about 20 feet. Alright guys, it's starting to get dark. I didn't get everything burnt today. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up tomorrow where I left off. But I don't guess you guys really want to watch all that. I'm going to put the fire out. It's time to eat. My wife's got dinner done. The next time you see a video on this right here, it should be, if I can catch the guy, putting in culverts. I got one at the main road and then one in a low spot to get up to this ridge. He's got to build that up, and that's going to be next week sometime. Then he's gonna come in here and start clearing these trees out, and that's gonna take a while. There's quite a bit of trees to get out of here. Fill the holes in, grade it out, build the house pads, build the house, build the shop. A lot of things coming, lots of things coming. Got the outline completely put out over there also. What you're seeing smoking is there's like a little stump over there, and when that big tree that I caught on fire, I cut off the one tree that was on it, on the ground, pulled it away, and I basically put 15 gallons of water on that stump that caught on fire. And the entire perimeter good to go. It's going to be a little smoky in here. This little setup here isn't bulletproof, don't get me wrong. Fire can get away from you if you don't pay attention to the weather, the wind, how dry it is, stuff of that nature. But for small controlled burning like this is pretty much all you need. You know, 25-50 gallons worth of water. I love this variable 13-inch nozzle. It's pretty awesome. Backpack blower, little torch, you can get a lot done. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, share it, tell all your friends, and I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow, but you guys won't see any more of it until we start clearing it and putting the road in. Guys, we appreciate it. Talk to you soon.